High blood pressure. It's called the silent killer for a reason. You may not feel a thing, but inside, your heart and arteries are under constant pressure literally. Over time, this pressure wears you down, leading to heart attacks, strokes, kidney issues, even vision loss. But what if part of the solution was already in your kitchen? Garlic and lemon. Simple, natural, affordable yet packed with power. When used right, they can support your blood pressure like few other foods can. Today, we're diving into how to make a garlic and lemon tonic and, more importantly, how it works inside your body to support healthy blood pressure. Let's start with garlic. It's nature's blood pressure hero. Why? Because it contains a compound called allicin, natural vasodilator. Allicin helps relax and widen your blood vessels, so blood can flow more easily. That takes the pressure off your heart literally. This is called vasodilation and one of the main ways garlic helps lower both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. But here's the trick. Allicin only forms when garlic is crushed or chopped. So don't skip that step when making your tonic. Now, let's talk lemons. These citrus wonders are loaded with vitamin C flavonoids and citrates which help your arteries stay elastic and flexible. This reduces the risk of arterial stiffness, a major cause of high blood pressure, and helps regulate sodium levels too. Lemons also act as a natural diuretic. They help you flush out excess sodium and water through urine, which can help lower blood volume and pressure. So when you combine garlic and lemon, you're not just making a drink, you're crafting a natural remedy that supports heart health. From every angle, let's make it together. You only need for simple ingredients and just 5 minutes of prep time. Here's what to grab. For cloves of raw garlic to lemons organic if possible, 1 liter of water optional, 1 tablespoon of raw honey for taste. Peel and crush your garlic first. Let it sit for 10 minutes to activate the allicin. Meanwhile, wash and slice your lemon's rind and all. Now blend or steep the garlic and lemon in water. Let it sit overnight in the fridge to infuse. Strain it if you prefer, and you're done. Drink 1 small glass about 100 milliliters in the morning on an empty stomach, and another before dinner for best results. Stick with it daily for 2 to 3 weeks, and many people start noticing lighter legs, more energy, and yes, even lower readings. One study showed that aged garlic supplements could reduce blood pressure as effectively as some medications for certain individuals. Of course, always consult your doctor before replacing any treatment. This tonic supports, not replaces, professional care. Let's zoom in again. Garlic supports nitric oxide production, relaxing the inner walls of arteries. Lemon works as a diuretic and antioxidant. Together, they help reduce oxidative stress, inflammation, and tension inside your vessels. It's like a deep breath for your circulatory system. You're not just getting one benefit here, you're hitting multiple root causes of high blood pressure all at once. More energy, better sleep, clearer thinking, a steady BP reading. These are just a few benefits people report with consistent use. Let's answer some common questions now. First up, can I use garlic powder or bottled lemon juice instead? Nope, you really need fresh garlic and fresh lemon to get all the active compounds. Bottled or powdered just won't cut it here. Next, how long does it last? If stored in a sealed jar in the fridge, your tonic stays fresh for up to 5 days. You can make a batch for the week ahead. Just shake well before each use to remix. The ingredients, worried about garlic breath? Try chewing fresh parsley or fennel seeds after your dose. It really helps. Great news for diabetics. Garlic and lemon may also help regulate blood sugar, according to several studies. But track your readings closely. Taking blood thinners or cholesterol meds? Talk to your doctor first. Garlic can amplify their effects. Don't self-dose. Here's your quick recap. Garlic widens vessels, lowers BP. Lemon flushes sodium, boosts arteries. Drink twice daily, fresh only. Track your results. Keep a simple log of your BP readings over 2 to 4 weeks. You might be amazed at the progress. It's not a miracle cure overnight, but it's a powerful daily habit that works with your body, not against it. If this video helped, give it a like. It lets us know you want more practical, natural remedies that work. Got questions about garlic or lemon tonic? Drop them in the comments. We answer as many as we can. Subscribe for weekly health tips that are simple, safe, and grounded in real results. Your wellness journey starts right here.